Hey guys, this is open box review for Contigo replacement straw. Here's the order. Let's open the box. Now you can see the product. Here's the price tag. It shows it's made in China. The package including 6 straws, all the white color, the same color as the original one. The first thing came out is the brush, which is easy to clean inside and outside the straw. And you can see I have this Contigo Ashland 2.0. The straw is missing. It's kind of bothered me. And then I found this one from Amazon. And it's pretty easy. Just plug in and play. Put the straw and insert it into the slot and secure it. Lock it back in. Well, the problem I immediately noticed that the straw is too long. So I probably need to trim a little bit. How long? I don't know. Just trim as much as I need it. I start from short. You may cut a few times. And then I also need the scissor to trim the edge, make it smooth. Now let's put it back in. And it's very secure and put those lid on. And here's a brush. It's very easy to clean the inside of the straw. This bothered me many times, and now we found the solution. Overall it's a pretty good replacement straw and it's BPA free. I really like it. Thank you.